Well, we had a frost last night and pretty much took out most of our garden. Yeah, I guess it's time to start building fires, so I'm going to have to clean out the flue. And I just wanted to show you basically the simple way to do that if you do it yourself. Or you could hire somebody, a professional chimney sweep, I guess you'd call them. But it really is not that difficult to clean out your own flue. So here's my stove right there, and it's a country stove. Now before you get started, you're going to have to pick up some of these extension poles. They screw together. You can get these at any hardware store, an Ace Hardware, Home Depot, Lowe's. You screw them together depending on how long you're going to, how long your flue is. So these are about 4 feet a piece. Let's see, yeah, about 4 feet. And so I only need 2 of them because my extension on my flue is not that deep. You're also going to need to know the diameter of your flue vents. So I have a 6-inch. You get this here, the brush. It screws right onto the tip of the extension poles, and then you just climb up there, take the top off, start cleaning it up, and you're done. It's that simple. So hopefully if you feel inclined to do it. Now, if you have a really steep pitch on your roof, personally I don't like doing steep roofs, and so, but mine's a simple roof. Anyway, I hope this will help you as far as purchasing your own tools, your own accessories. Once again, I said mine's a 6-inch. They have 7, 8-inch, and so on and so forth. So here's a cap on the top of the flue. You got to unscrew it right here. Sometimes it just slides off. But there's also a screen in here, and you can see that the screen a little dirty. Got to clean that off. Sometimes they're just really worn out, and so and this is basically to keep birds out. Quite frankly, I've actually had found dead and live birds in my wood stove from like 20 feet, my last house. Yeah, they'll just get in there sometimes, fall in, and either die unless you catch them early. But you're gonna have to take this off. Once you get that off, and then you can start cleaning. You can see the 6-inch vent right here, or the pipe. Yeah, it's pretty. Got a lot of creosote in it. So, all right, let's get started. Okay, I've got the cap off, and I was trying to take this piece off here, but it's riveted onto the 6-inch pipe, and so I'm not going to be able to do that. You can see all the creosote that's built up around here inside, and it's pretty thick down the tube. Once you start brushing, you'll see that it's you'll hear actually all the soot going down into the bag. Okay, 2 things that you need to remember as well. First of all, when you take down the pipe, make sure that you put little marks on there so you know exactly where they go when they go together, because you have these little tiny screws here. And I'll put it in there. Okay, there's one right there, and here's my mark. I used a whiteout basically, and then here's my other screw, and there's one more on the other side. But if you don't mark it, then you're going to struggle to figure out which way it goes. Also, when you're pushing the brush down, as you go up and down, make sure you tighten it. If you hand tighten this onto the poles, it's going to get loose as you're going up and down, and it will come undone. That's why they have this hook on the end. So if you have to reach up there with some kind of wire, you could actually, let me see, I don't know if I had a good picture there. Here we go. You can actually grab it with a hook and then pull it out. Otherwise, it's going to get stuck inside your flue. So what I do is as I go up and down, then I tighten it, 1 or 2 turns. Also, you can just get 2 crescent wrenches and just tighten this sucker down as tight as you can. So anyway, I hope this helps you and that you're able to be successful in cleaning your flue.